welcome to the Heart of the Home. I'm Chef John Maxwell, and we're here at Meadow Hall and Meadow Event Park in Doswell, Virginia. And every week we get to play with some great Virginia food. This is a little bit cooler weather, so it's a little harder to find the good variety that we'd like to see from the garden. But we've got one item that is just a star this time of year, and that's beets. Good for you, full of phosphorus, full of iron, just wonderful vegetable. And this is the time it shines. So we're going to make a beet salad, a roasted red beet salad. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut the heads off the beet, oil them, and put them into the oven. Things like the beet greens, collards, things of that nature are all good winter options. All right, so we got that. I'm going to take a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. All right, rub these around. Make sure they're coated good. All right. I'm going to sprinkle them with some salt. And we're going to take the skins off, so I'm not too worried about the amount of salt that I'm putting on it. I want it to crisp up the skin a little bit so it's easier to pull off and to savor it. All right, so I'm going to go into the oven with this. And this is not particularly a time-sensitive thing. This is going to take 30 minutes to cook those beets down to where you can pass a toothpick into it and it goes through smoothly. Okay, well, we've done a couple of things off camera. We baked the beets in the oven. We pulled them out, cooled them down for a little while, right? And then I peeled them. So I've got peeled beets that have been cooked sitting here, right? So what I'm going to do now is dice these up and put them into this bowl so that we can make our salad. But I'm going to now cut these into kind of like a medium dice. I'm wearing gloves. I'm worried about my skin color, right? So the beets will get on you. It's not horrible because lemon juice will usually take it off. So I've got some diced beets there. I'm going to grab a lemon. Going to roll it to break the cell structure so that the juice can come out. And I'm going to put a little bit of lemon juice on that. And I'm going to put some lemon juice in here. I'm going to add some extra virgin olive oil, salt, and pepper. Right. So I'm going to whisk this a little bit. I'm going to now dress these beets, these diced beets, right, with a little bit of the salad dressing that we made earlier. I'm just going to toss that around a little bit. And now I'm going to take some greens, all right, and go down into this salad dressing as well. So I'm going to just kind of turn that around. I just want to coat the leaves. I don't want it really heavily seasoned because I still want it to have some fluff, some height. All right, so we're going to set that in the middle of this plate. All right, so that's there. Get this out of the way. Now I'm going to take and put the beets on top. That looks good. I think that's fine. I'm going to take some feta cheese and sprinkle it around. I don't know about you, but I love feta cheese. And Virginia's got a great cheese industry. All right, let's see what we got here. It looks like we've got everything set for a wonderful meal. We got the beets, the dressed greens, and the cheese on top. It's protein, it's vegetable, lots of iron in those beets. So join us next week on Heart of the Home, where we get to play with great Virginia food.
Recipes from the Heart of the Home can be found on the Virginia Farm Bureau website at vafb.com, as well as on Chef Maxwell's website at chefjohnmaxwell.com.